how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pretzel. Let's start off by drawing a line that curves down to the left, rounds back up to the right, and makes a sharp curve to the right to close out the shape. On top, draw a line from here going up all the way around to here. Then, continue to ascend along the curve and stop here as well. Underneath, continue the big curve on the other side to make a similar but mirrored shape. Back on top, continue this line up and over, all the way around to end here. And draw a similar line inside as well. Finally, finish the pretzel shape by drawing two wide curves along the bottom like so. To add some more detail, draw a few bumpy shapes around the pretzel for the soft crystals. And lastly, a few thin, broken, wavy lines along the pretzel for some added texture. And now you've got a pretzel!